Have you ever closed a trade for a small profit only to watch it rocket to the moon without you? Or worse, did you get stopped out by a tiny margin right before the market turned exactly where you predicted? Most traders set their stops and targets based on a gut feeling or arbitrary percentages. But today, we're diving into the mathematical metrics that will help you stop guessing and start trading with precision. We're talking about Maximum Adverse Excursion, or MAE, and Maximum Favorable Excursion, or MFE. These concepts were originally introduced by John Sweeney, the technical editor of Technical Analysis of Stocks and Commodities magazine. Sweeney designed these metrics to help traders move beyond simple guesswork and instead determine appropriate stop levels and profit targets based on historical data. At its core, MAE refers to the maximum amount of loss a trade experiences from the moment you enter until it reaches its lowest point, either before turning in your favor or being closed out. Conversely, MFE represents the peak unrealized profit achieved during the trade's lifespan before the price retraces and the trade is finally closed. For a long position, your MAE is the difference between your entry price and the lowest price reached during the trade. For a short trade, the MAE is measured as the difference between your entry price and the maximum high the market hit before turning back in your direction. MFE is simpler to visualize as the best-case scenario. It is the maximum amount of money you could have earned if you had exited at the absolute optimal moment. These metrics are highly versatile and can be tracked in pips, dollar amounts, percentages, or as multiples of your risk, often referred to as R. The real power of these tools lies in how they revolutionize your risk management and exit strategies. Experienced traders know that risking too much can end a career before a strategy has time to perform, while risking too little might leave a system's full potential untapped. By analyzing a significant sample of trades, you can identify the level of drawdown at which a trade typically fails and does not recover, allowing you to differentiate between normal market noise and an abnormal drawdown. For example, if you analyze your data and find that your average actual profit is 1.5 R, but your MFE is consistently 2.6 R, you have clear mathematical evidence that you are leaving significant profits on the table. This is your signal to adjust your take-profit levels higher to capture that missing gain. Similarly, if your system's MAE is consistently much lower than your current stop loss, you have the opportunity to shorten your stop. This improves your returns even if you never change your profit targets, as it tightens your risk per trade. However, you must be cautious with the data you use. It is absolutely essential to have a significant sample size before making these adjustments. If your sample is too small, your MAE might underestimate the true risk of a strategy and fail to account for extreme market conditions, leading to inaccurate evaluations. Furthermore, using these metrics helps with the psychological side of trading. Many traders abandon perfectly good systems because they cannot tolerate the inevitable losses that come with a high MAE. By knowing your system's typical excursion levels, you can stay disciplined and avoid selling at the bottom out of fear. Ultimately, MAE and MFE allow you to evaluate the health of your risk-reward relationship. If your MAE is significantly greater than your MFE, you are likely risking far more than you stand to gain, which is a signal that your exit strategy needs a total overhaul. By setting more effective loss limits and identifying hidden profit opportunities, you can manage your risk more professionally and improve your overall trading performance. Stop being a victim of the market's volatility and start using these tools to master your exits. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to help us provide more free content.